Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir Super Nova. In this video I'll show you how to manage sticks mapping. To remap sticks functions, go to GameSir Connect app and go to sticks. Enter advanced mapping and here select left, right stick, D-Pad, mouse, functions. Now select what you want between D-Pad or WSAD. Next you can remap it from numeric keyboard, mouse or controller. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.